They have a huge network of plumbers. It can sometimes be an actual disaster. It's an absolute shit show. All the controllers were going bad. I'm Brandon Burrell, the owner and operator of Quick Water Heater and Filtration Company located in San Diego. In this short video, I'm going to explain to you which of these two water heaters, Bradford White or Rheem, is better. It comes down to one thing. I highly recommend Bradford White. The reason why, they're an American-made product, but bigger than anything, they have a huge network of plumbers. They really support us. If we need anything, we can go get parts immediately that day. If you need anything for a Rheem water heater, you have to call customer support and beg for them to send you parts. Now, here's the problem. If you call in on a Friday, you're likely to get the parts on a Tuesday. If you call in with a problem with Bradford White, they'll send you to a Ferguson. You can go pick up the parts the same day and be back in hot water. Rheem used to be a fantastic company, but over the years, they've changed CEOs a few times, and they've really prioritized different products other than their water heaters. They're pushing all sorts of new stuff like heat pumps, and they're great with certain products, and they're terrible with others. Because they have such a foothold in the market, they've kind of neglected their tank water heaters. And if you need parts, it can sometimes be an actual disaster. So for example, we'll go back to the Friday example. They'll call us, we'll go out to a call, and we'll say, hey, they make you call, ask you a million questions, even though you know exactly what you need. And they basically say, okay, cool, we're gonna send you out a part. They don't always send you all the parts, which is annoying. So then you wait 3 days, you put it in, it wasn't that part, you call them back, same routine, then they come out 3 days later, you do it again. This whole process is an absolute shit show. So what I recommend is, until these guys get their act together and they start supporting the product better, it's Bradford White all day. They're very competitive on price, they're almost identical, but the service you're gonna receive from the actual manufacturer is 2 thumbs up. We used to rep Rheem, and we fired them because they left us hanging with so many issues. They had a major problem with their controllers for about, I'd say 18 months. Everything that came out of the factory, all the controllers were going bad. And they wouldn't just ship us a bunch of controllers so we could take care of our customers. They made us go through that whole process for 5 times to get the controller. In the meantime, it puts us in a bad position because now we look like a bunch of jerks to our customers, even though it's not really us. We don't make the water heater, we just put it in. So it put us in a bad position, and therefore we've essentially fired Rheem and we've gone for Bradford White. So I hope that helps, and leave us a like, thumbs up, a comment, whatever you think. There's a lot of diehard Rheem guys. Tell me your comments on why you think they're better. There's also a lot of plumbers who know exactly what I'm talking about and probably moved away from Rheem into Bradford White. If you found this video helpful, thumbs up, leave us a comment, keep watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.